Today we're going to my favourite restaurant in Bali. Number one favourite.
What name?
Moksa.
Moksa.
Chef Marty. He is like, I would love to be taught by him actually. I'm at Moksa today in Bali. It's my favourite restaurant in the world. It's my favourite chef in Bali. There is nothing I don't like about this place. I've known about the chef for many, many years and I've met him many, many times, and he's invited us into his space to have lunch and to be in this incredible destination here in Indonesia, Bali. I cannot wait for you guys to see this at home. Oh my God, we're going to be eating a lot, so yeah, it's amazing. Anyway, there he is, I can see him, so I'm going to go say hi. Hello!
Yeah,
we should do a hug. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
You too.
Yeah.
I'm ready. Yay! Makasih. Thank you so much. We're here at my favourite restaurant in the whole world. It's true. I'm in Bali, Indonesia, where I live, and I'm so grateful. I'm here with my friend Ilu and Dee and Chef Marty.
I'm Balinese. I come from the poor family. No, you believe this? I have no houses at home. We are three people, five with my mother and father. Yeah, my brother two and me. I have no house. You know Balinese house? With that tembok popolan, bla bla bla, Balinese house. Satu bed di dalam, di luar nggak ada apa-apa. How you can sleep 5 people? All my life I sleep outside with my friend. Sometimes I go to the small hut in the ladang. Sometimes I went to my friend, my neighbor. You know. That is my life. After I graduate from senior high school, I have nothing to do because I'm in the village. I don't know. My parents cannot send me to the university. I work everything. I work in the rice field. I help the people. I make batu bata. I make a batu bata. I work for the tukang. What you call this? As a worker, tukang rumah, blah blah blah. Everything I do.
Tukang is like a labourer in Australia.
Yeah.
In America,
And
like
then
a labourer.
you know, after that, it's very not bad. I mean, it's good experience. Okay, all right. Okay, this is jackfruit tacos. Yeah, we're using the young jackfruit in the process. A lot of process actually. Yeah, you steam first because I not boil it to get that what you call this the texture. When you boil it, too much water. Okay, and then you cut it, shredded it, and then you saute it with the tacos spice. Yeah, I put the onion, oregano, then the shell, it's from pumpkin. I changed a little bit right now. Before I used from the corn. This corn is GMO, that's why I not use it anymore. Yeah.
And then the soup?
Okay, soup is coconut mushroom soup.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
So we're using that homemade coconut milk. Yeah,
Fresh coconut milk.
Fresh, not fresh, from the dry. Yeah, from the fresh we grated it, we dehydrated, and then we making
Why
the.
do you do that? Why do you dehydrate it and then make the milk? I don't do
Grated
that.
it, we dry it
Yeah, why do you do that?
because I want to have that healthy.
Huh?
Yeah, it's when we dehydrate, we release quite a lot of cholesterol and fat. Of course, that is much more healthy.
Oh, good to know. Good to know. I didn't know that.
And why did you call it Moksa?
because we believe that Moksa is kind of heaven. This is about higher achievement. I want to give the people the best that I can. Yeah, the matter of the delicious or matter of the healthy, to make the people happy and share what we have. That's what I did.
It's amazing.
Thank you very much. Yeah, this is our kitchen.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
my staff, I accept the training because this is from the school training. I accept them to teach them because
Oh,
I
yeah.
want to. If somebody left, I want to replace it.
We do that at Genius Cafe
Yeah,
too.
because this,
Yeah.
you cannot get from the hotel people.
No.
If you teach by yourself, build them. That's the best way
Yeah.
to do it. Yeah, we have a hot, we have a cold.
It's a
and we
very
have-
busy kitchen right now.
Yeah, because a lot of things to do. You know that when you're doing this.
Look at this.
this
Hello.
thing, yeah, yeah, we have a quite complete equipment. You know.
You have an ice cream machine?
Yes, ice cream machine, and we have a
A
small,
cool room.
small walk-in chiller here. Yeah, we just this one we just changed
Yeah, yeah.
because it's
Yeah, it's
we did
beautiful.
this, yeah.
Wow, this is all your.
Yeah.
This is what happens in here. It's great. It's a really, really full-on kitchen actually. Like it's full of energy and people and.
Yeah, how we can make them,
And who's your head chef?
Yeah, it's still under me. We have to.
Yeah, yeah. And who's under him?
Yeah, everybody.
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 Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, look at him.
Yeah.
Did you train him from scratch?
Yeah, yeah,
That's so
yeah,
great.
yeah.
That's so
I
great.
trained him from Five Elements.
Oh wow, we came all those years ago.
Yes.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, another one, also the lady, they out because they weren't married.
Yeah.
But she is from the school also. I hired him, her.
Yeah.
Yeah, and other two also from the school.
Yeah.
Who trained here for 6
That's so
months.
great.
And the graduate, I hired them.
Yeah. What oil do you use? You don't use palm oil?
Okay, I use this olive oil, and I use coconut oil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's really great. So at Genius Cafe,
Yeah.
we don't use palm oil either. We only use
Yeah,
olive oil
we
and
use that
coconut.
one, coconut. Sometimes the people doesn't like coconut oil, but I use
Yeah.
olive oil.
Yeah. Yeah, me too.
I use a lot of this because this one in in the West you got a lot of this in
Yeah.
the West. That we try to use it when you can use for many things.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, it's busy in here.
Thank you.
Hello. Okay, so our closing statement for today is lovely.
Oh,
Thank you very much, Cynthia.
not feeling guilty at all. I'm happy.
That's great. That's good.
feeling
I'm
good
happy with that.
I'm so grateful that I reached out and spoke to you, and I'm so grateful that you're going to come to my studio
Sure. Thank you very much. I will. I promise that.
Monday,
I
right?
will come
Yeah,
Monday.
organize it.
I will.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Thank you so
I
much.
really thank you for your visiting us.
Oh, of
I'm
course.
not. It's how you say in English? It's not my expectation, but you come.
Oh, well, I'm just grateful that you're in my life, and I'm so grateful I'm standing underneath
I asked
a
her
passion
to-
tree.
I asked her, who's
Fine.
Cynthia? And then he come to me and said, you remember that? Oh yes, I saw your face already. Thank you, Cynthia.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dan.
Chef
you.
Marty,
Thank you very
I'm
much.
so grateful. Thanks for
Thank
having
you,
us
boo. Yeah.
here at Moksa. Yummy.
Yummy.
Coming to take my tummy and leave.
Thank you.
Oh my god.